Good evening. So today we are going to see the syllabus of SPPU University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and that is third year design of reinforced concrete structure. So we have subject name. If you will see, we have DRCS. So you can see in the next slide. So we have design of reinforced concrete structures, and you can see we have this course that is of 3 credit. Structure is given over here. We have lectures 3 hours per week. So in same exam on unit 1 and unit 2 we have 30 marks, and external examination we have on unit 3, 4, 5, 6, that is of 70 marks. Now, what are prerequisites? This is again most important. We have prerequisites for this. Fundamentals of concrete technology already you have studied in second semester of second year. Then engineering mechanics, first year, first or second semester. Mechanics of materials, or we can say mechanics of structure, first semester, second year, and structural analysis, second semester, second year. So these already we have covered prerequisites for this design of reinforced concrete structure. We have these 4 subjects which already you have studied. Now, what are course objective to study this subject? We have to provide the student with basic concept of reinforced concrete structures. So objective, you should know the basic concept of these concrete structures, and you should be in position to analyze. Analyze means already we know we have to find forces. Design means we have to find cross section, and detailing means we have to show or we have to draw the design requirement at the site, and that we are going to say detailing of different reinforced concrete structures. Now, course outcome, we have 6 units, and each unit we have with one course outcome. What is course outcome? On a successful completion of this course, the learner will be able to, so the learner will be able to, first we have now, this is on unit number 1, apply relevant IS provisions to ensure safety and serviceability of structures, understand the design philosophies and behavior of materials, steel and concrete. So this is our first one. So IS provisions. So we are going to use in this IS 456, and we should be in position to know all the provisions given in IS 456 relate with your concrete structures. We have other codes, but the main code we are going to use is 456. Second, we have recognize mode of failure as per LSM and evaluate moment of resistance for singly, doubly, rectangular and flange section. So we have these 3 types of cross sections. So here you have to keep in mind we have cross sections singly, then doubly. These both we are going to say as rectangular, and then flanged section. Here we have L and T. Then we have design and detailing of rectangular one-way and two-way slab with different boundary conditions. So that boundary conditions are given in IS code, and accordingly coefficients are also provided there. Then we have design and detailing of dog-legged and open well staircase. So these are the outcomes when we will complete first unit. We have first unit we have actually these two outcomes, then second unit and onwards. Then we have design and detailing of singly, doubly rectangular flange beams for flexure, shear, bond and torsion. Now in first, we are going to determine the moment of resistance of the cross sections, and here we are going to design the beams, and that design we have for flexure, shear and bond. Actually torsion provisions are there in IS code. Then we have this is design and detailing of short columns subjected to axial load, uniaxial, oblique biaxial bending and their footings. So this is we have course outcome 1. Now you can see what is we have unit 1. So unit 1 we have this theory. First we have to study working stress method and limit state method. Then directly we will go to limit state method. So we have limit state collapse, limit state of serviceability and limit state of durability. Then what is characteristic strength, then what is characteristic load, what is partial safety factor, then structural properties of concrete and steel, assumptions of limit state methods, strain variation diagram, stress variation diagram, design parameters we have for singly reinforced rectangular section, modes of failure, and then we have moment of resistance, singly, doubly rectangular sections, and singly reinforced span section. So if you will see, we have course outcome 1 and 2. Outcome 1 and 2. These are related with your unit number 1. Then we will go to the unit 2. So we have design of slab. Now we have course outcome 3. So course outcome 3. You can see over here. So we have course outcome 3, design and detailing of one-way and two-way slabs with different boundary conditions. And that is we have course outcome 3. Now you can have design of staircase. So again you can see dog-legged staircase, and then we have open well staircase. And in this we have simply supported cantilever beams for flexure, shear, bond and torsion also we have to study in this unit only. Then we have design of beams. So we have course outcome number 4, that is for your staircase. Then 5 we have for design of beams. So here we have course outcome 5. And then course outcome 6. These are for these combined units 5 and 6. That is column and footing. So likewise, we have this unit 6, and that you have to study in your design of concrete, design of reinforced concrete structure. Then we have reference books. Then this is also a good book. G+3, Dr. V.L. Shah. Then Analyze Sina Roy. This is also a good book. Then we have Subramanyam, also a good book. Daya Ratnam. Then Punamiya and Jain. Then Pillai Menon is also a good book. Then M.L. Gambhir. Now, generally, we have our students are going to use this V.L. Shah and Curve. That is illustrated reinforced concrete design. So G+3 actually that is required for design at site. For our syllabus, this will be better for Shah and Karve. Varghese is also a good book. So you can go any of these one. So this is preferred. Then we have IS code. So I already mentioned we have IS 456 2000. Then we have this is actually ductile design. So can we use it? That is again a big problem. Then we have IS 875 part 1 already we have seen for dead load. Part 2 we have seen that is for imposed load. That when we are with SD1, so we have that one. Now we have term work for this. Oral actually we have, and credit we have 2, and we have 50 marks for it. So 2 credit, 50 marks we have for practical. Now practical, we have 4 hours per week. Now what we have to go in practicals? So now you can see we have 3 exercises. One, we have design project, design of G+2. Now this is most important. Residential, commercial, public building covering all types of. Now we have slabs, beams, columns, footing and staircase, first and intermediate flight. Now we have to choose minimum plan area 150 square meters. Then design, what we have to design: plinth and ground beams, each type 2 simply supported and 2 continuous. Then design of all slabs and beam of typical floor. Then we have design of 3 columns. So you can see 3 columns. You will see we have this as axial load plus uniaxial, axial load plus biaxial bending from terrace level of 2 footing along with detailed design calculations. So we have to go with these columns and all these parts. Now if we will go ahead, then we have design of any one element by using spreadsheet. So you can use spreadsheet and design by suitable software. Then 4 full imperial drawing sheets. So we have to we require 4 full imperial drawing sheet, out of which only structural plan drawing sheet shall be drawn by using any drafting software. So plan you can draw it. Schedules of slabs, beams, columns and footing can be prepared. The schedule you can prepare by using any drafting software. Then detailing of reinforcement should be as per SP 34 and IS 13920. This is first. Second, we have 2 assignments on design of combined footing. Here we are not going to design combined footing in this. Here you can see we have design of footing, that is axial load and axial load plus uniaxial bending. So these are isolated footing. So we have 2 assignments on combined footing along with reinforcement detailing. And third, we have to go for 2 site visits and we have to prepare report for it. So building under construction. So this is a term work which is related with your design of reinforced concrete structure. So that we have to go in our subject in 3rd year, 2nd semester. So today we will stop here only. Remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.